A hearty welcome to all dear students for this online class. Today, let us learn about business presentations, which is prescribed for 4th semester BCom course of Davangere University. What is business presentation? Why it is essential? Before knowing business presentation, let us know about a saying. What is the saying? Make thyself a craftsman in speech, for thereby thou shalt gain the upper hand. I am repeating, make thyself a craftsman in speech, for thereby thou shalt gain the upper hand. Today, it is very necessary for a student, a researcher, a job seeker, a businessman to possess the skill of making a good presentation on a specific subject to a select audience. Which are the topics covered in business presentations? It is related to sales, finance, expansion, or launching of a new product, or marketing, advertising, or to convey information, or to make decisions, or to discuss issues, or resolve conflicts, or take remedial measures, and sometimes to examine the budget proposals of the company. A presentation is a system of sharing information live with a specific audience. A business presenter can use visual aids for his effective presentation. So, which are the steps to be followed in business presentation? The first one is planning, second one is preparing, and the third one is practicing, and the last one is presenting. The first one is planning. Planning a presentation is nothing but deciding what to present and what not to present. The presenter has to collect all the available material and convert it into a neat text. And every presentation tries to sell a product or a service or an idea for the development of their business. The key strategy is to understand who is your audience, why you are making the presentation, where and when to make the presentation, and what to present. So this comes in the planning. And next step is preparing. Preparing a presentation means ordering or structuring all material on your given topic. And the third step to be followed is practicing. Practicing or rehearsing the presentation is a necessary step. And the last step to be followed is presenting. Presenting is the actual test of a presenter's ability. So here he has to show his caliber in effective presentation. Now, through our workbook, let us know which are the essential qualities of a good presenter and which are the essential qualities of a good presentation. Come, let us discuss which are the essential qualities of a good presenter and which are the essential qualities of a good presentation. Look here. Now we are coming to know which are the essential qualities of a good speaker or a good presenter. The first one is be lively, enthusiastic, confident, and interested in the presentation. Second one, be to the point and speak about something that is worth the listener's time. Third one is be able to complete his presentation at the right time. Fourth one is be able to stand upright, make eye contact, and speak with authority. Fifth one is be positive, friendly, and straightforward. Sixth one, be patient enough to answer the queries and clear any confusion the audience might have. The last one is be able to accept feedback and benefit by it. So these are the essential qualities of good speaker or good presenter. Now let us know which are the essential qualities of a good presentation. The first one is have a clear structure with an introduction, body and conclusion. Second one, have facts and figures visually presented in tables, graphs and charts. Third one is have different colors to make the presentation of the content attractive. Fourth one, have an understanding of the needs of the audience. Fifth one, have humor and anecdotes to create a good relationship with the audience. And the last one is have serious attention to questions and feedback at the end. Now, let us know the points to remember in preparing a presentation. The first one is prepare for your presentation well in advance. Structure your talk, identify the main and subordinate points. Next one is introduce the topic briefly and mention the reason for making the presentation. Use simple language and minimum words. Use data and visuals wherever necessary. Do not read out from the presentation. Make eye contact with the audience. Use gestures, eye contact, and your voice effectively. Present your argument clearly and in a direct manner. Sum up briefly. Present your topic truthfully. And last one is keep to the time allotted to you. See, here are the model presentations given in your workbook. For example, the first one is about the decline in sales and recommendations to boost sales. So how to begin presentation? So as usual, good morning ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nandini Chakravarti and so on. So you should continue your presentation. Here is one more model presentation about choosing a suitable site for a branch factory in Karnataka. So as usual, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Introduce yourself and go on with your data collected and conclude by the lines. Thank you very much for listening to me patiently. I will be happy to answer your questions and clarify your doubts. Here is one more model presentation regarding introducing a new product into the market. As usual, begin with good morning ladies. So conclude the presentation with thanks for your time and interest. I will be happy to answer any of your questions and clarify any of your doubts. So here there are many model presentations need for new sales outlets. And the next one is on the functioning of a branch. See, there are many presentations, model presentations in your workbook, and even there are many exercises you can do at your homes. Get ready for the examinations. All the best for your examinations. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all.